Good afternoon, participants and dignitaries. A warm welcome to you all for the FDP implementation of IoT devices with Node-RED interfacing IBM Watson. No event can be successful without people who dedicate their resources and time to make sure everything is faultless. My heartfelt thanks to the college management, principal, head of the department, resource persons, and all other faculty who directly or indirectly made the FDP successful. Most importantly, thanks to all participants for attending the FDP. Without you, which it is meaningless. A brief report about the FDP is 132 participants registered, and this FDP has fully packed with the interesting topics like introduction to IoT, IoT-based Python, domain-specific IoT, IoT devices and Raspberry Pi, IoT protocols, Node-RED introduction, introduction to IBM Watson, and IoT with cloud. And so with this FDP grant successfully completed actually. And now it is an immense pleasure to invite the head of the department, Computer Science and Engineering, and the convener of the FDP, Professor Janaki Madam, to speak a few words about the program. Madam, over to you, Madam.
Sir, better if we take the opinion of the participants. Anybody is there to speak? I request the participants to give your valuable opinion on this workshop.
Hello.
Yeah, please, sir.
Myself, Professor Pradeep Kumar Bhatia from Hisar, Guruji Mission University, Hisar. So I'm very happy to join this this university or college, sorry, for this Atal FDP. And no doubt it is a practical oriented course. It will be very useful for us to teach in class. And with this, I also congratulate to Krishna and other members of this FDP. They have organized with a better way, and no doubt it is very useful for us. Thank you.
Thank you for your feedback, sir. Thank you.
Hello. I'm Dr. Kannan from Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College, Tirupati. You have organized a well-mannered entire Atal FDP. Everything you are arranged well, and then each and every resource persons they delivered the content in an excellent manner. Each and every session helped to learn more this new area. Thanks for organizing this excellent FDP. I'm congratulating and wish to one and all members of the Waghai College conducted this Atal FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
please, sir.
Yeah, myself Jairam Boga. I'm a research scholar at Welltech University from Chennai. Really, this is very wonderful section. Day 1 to day 5, I've attended from all the section. It's very nice session. A special thanks to all the research persons. They given good content. It is really used for my research work, not only for those are doing the PhD part-time or full-time. This IoT concept is very useful, and in the hands-on section skills are very useful for our PhD student. And a special thanks to the co-convener of this FDP, Dr. K. Bandi Krishna Garu, and convener, and I don't know, Madam, it's CSC Madam. Really, it's very wonderful section. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you very much for your feedback. Anyone else, sir? Okay. Thank you very much for your feedback, for giving this your feedback on this. Thank you to all the participants. Hope everybody learned a lot, and many more innovations and many more IoT devices we are expecting through you and from you also. Once again, I'm congratulating Dr. B. Krishna for organizing this 5-day workshop, and congratulations and thanks to all the resource persons for spending their valuable time in conducting this event. And thanks to the management of our college, the Vagdevi College of Engineering, and thanks to AICTE also for permitting us to conduct this, without which this would not have been happened at all. And my special thanks to Dr. SSV and Sharma Garu, who have 51 years of experience, who delivered the lecture for 3 hours continuously. And once again, he has taken the regular classwork on the same date. So lots of appreciations and my heartfelt thanks to Dr. SSV Sharma sir, who is a backbone to this college. Once again, I'm congratulating and thanking all the participants for making this event a grand success. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. I would like to invite Professor Tirupathi Rao sir to address the participants, please. Sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, everybody.
Sir.
Sir. Good afternoon,
Yes,
everybody.
sir. Audible, sir. You are audible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, initially, congratulations to Dr. B. Krishna, successfully conducted and supported by Janaki Madam and the godfather of your department, Professor S.S.N. Sharma Garu. And this is happy to know that throughout nationwide, all the states participation is there. That is very actual, the best thing for our institution. The Atal FDP program, the title you are selected is latest title, IoT, Internet of Things, that is, and successfully conducted and successfully completed. Once again, congratulate the team of the Computer Science Department, especially Dr. B. Krishna Garu. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable words, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Professor SSV Sharma sir to speak few words about this program. Please, sir. Please take over. Mike.
Good afternoon to all the participants, Madam Janaki, Dr. Krishna. Thank you very much. Particularly, I am very much thankful to you for giving me an opportunity. I don't know, really, Janaki was talking high about me, but I generally wait for a chance. If anybody asks, I would like to deliver a lecture. I've seen wonderful lectures were organized, particularly to the young friends who are attending the classes. My piece of advice is that the laboratory sessions, if you can really plan in your college, I hope most of the internships you can plan at your college itself on this topic particularly. Only a little bit of coordination with the EC department, Electronics and Communication Department, and the EEE department. If there is little bit of cooperation from them, you can wonderfully sustain this course in your college and particularly attract the students for doing several innovations. I'm recently in our college, one toy was designed by a student that is called a touch toy. It is a baby toy, girl toy. That means a female, representing a female, wherein if you touch it an unrequired position, immediately it will warn you. So such a small innovation, it has gone to national level now. It is being congratulated by every one of our nation technological professors and others. It is a very simple fact that you can also design. You can make a student to design such small IoT devices in your college, provided you coordinate with the electronics department, because you need a little bit of cooperation regarding the circuits and others at your department. Otherwise, theoretically, computer science people can lead it, but without the cooperation of electronics and EEE people, we cannot do it. Please do it, and I really congratulate Mr. Krishna and Janaki for their untiring efforts in doing this job. And I have listened to one or more lectures, and I found they are quite interesting. And I missed all the lectures because I was having other classes. Thank you very much. God bless all the participants. And I really wait for anybody who requests me to deliver lectures, because as a teacher, we have only one option. That option is teaching. And we have only one blessing. That blessing is teaching. And we have only one reward. That reward is teaching. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir, for your valuable words. Thank you, sir. I request participants, anyone, can you give your feedback here, please? Anyone miss? You can give feedback here, please. Yeah.
Actually, we are expecting some more workshops like this. Your feedback, if you can give it, our people will learn from you, because don't think that we are experts. Every participant is an expert. We are talking to learned people. So you can give your feedback to Mr. Krishna, who is an young and emerging budding man. He will learn, and he will also plan it in the next programs with your suggestions. That's good. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, all the participants. Dr. Pata, what of thanks.
Sir, I would like to say a few words, sir.
Yes. Yeah, madam, please proceed.
Yes, I would like to congratulate Bandi Krishna, sir, for organizing this FDP. Your practical sessions were very good, sir. Hope we will have such type of sessions further. And due to this online and offline works, we couldn't able to attend few sessions, but hope we will attend. We'll hear from you such type of sessions in the future also, sir. I congratulate.
Thank you.
I congratulate Rajkumar sir and Mrityunjay sir for delivering the sessions, and Krishna sir also, Sharma sir especially, our guru. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for your valuable words. And okay. Anyone, can you give feedback here, please?
Krishna sir, this is Barkat sir.
Hello, sir. Please, yeah.
I would really like to congratulate first for the wonderful this workshop. Congratulations for this one, sir. And really, the sessions were really excellent. Especially Rajkumar sir's IoT hands-on practice was really amazing. I would request you to keep on continuing giving such workshops. I'm sure you will try to do something better and some new topics that you'll pick. I'd also like to congratulate Vagdevi College for conducting this event. Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sure, definitely will conduct in future such type of FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah, participants, please, anybody?
Yeah, good afternoon, Krishna sir. This is Dr. Kalyanam Srinivas.
Hello,
from
sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, it was a good initiation by you, especially in IoT. I congratulate you in this regard.
I also congratulate Dr. V. Janki Garu, head of the Department of CSC, and the Dean of Vagdevi College, SSVN Sharma Garu. Really, it was wonderful. The sessions was very good, especially from Rajkumar sir and yourself, and even uh, Mrutyunjay sir. That was very good sessions by you people. This is the second FDP I am attending for your college, sir. Really, it was very encouraging from your college. I also congratulate the principal of Vagdevi College of Engineering. I request other faculty of your department of Vagdevi College to organize such type of FDPs in future, especially in data science, artificial intelligence. I learned a lot in this regard. Thank you. Thank you, Bandikrishna sir. I once again congratulate you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sure, we will conduct in future also such type of FDPs. Thank you very much, sir. Anybody, please? Any others?
Good afternoon, Krishna sir.
Good afternoon, madam. Please proceed.
Congratulations for successful completion of your FDP, sir. All the sessions were quite informative, but maybe hands-on experience, little more was really expected from the participants. Some of my friends also put me a message that they wanted more from the hands-on, and they were very much impressed with Rajkumar sir's session. And they also told that Tulasi madam and Damodar sir's sessions were also very good. And special appreciation to Jaya madam for her stress busters. And on the whole, everybody is happy. And on behalf of all participants, I also congratulate you for this success, sir. Hope that we will have more FDPs of this kind in near future. Thank you, sir.
Sure, madam. Sure. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for giving wonderful words about this FDP. Thank you, madam. Any others, please? Other participants? Any?
Good afternoon, sir. Myself,
Good afternoon,
Prashanti.
madam. Yeah.
The 5 days workshop conducted was truly useful, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much. Madam, your voice is not audible clearly. Your voice is not audible, madam, clearly. Yeah. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you very much, participants. As a part of thanks, my heartfelt thanks to the college management, principal, vice principal, head of the department, resource persons, and all other faculty who directly or indirectly made the FDP successful. And I also thank the resource persons from different institutions, Professor SSVN Sharma sir, Professor Damodar Reddy sir, Professor Tarachan sir, Dr. B. Krishna, Mr. P. Rajkumar sir, Dr. J. Srikanth sir, and Mr. Mrutyunjay sir, Mrs. Sri Tulasi madam, and Jaya madam. We also thank the AICT for accepting our proposal and encouraging us by funding. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, all participants, for joining with us. Thank you very much. So, your test link is posting in chat box as well as in our FDP WhatsApp group also. Please fill that, please answer for those questions, multiple choice questions, 30 questions are there. You need to answer all questions. Time duration is for this test is 3:20 to 4 o'clock. So by 4 p.m. you need to submit. So again, we'll send our feedback form, Google form link will be shared in group. Please fill these 2 forms. After that, you have to fill feedback from Atal portal as well as then only you'll get certificate. Okay, please follow these instructions. Right now we are posting quiz in chat box. Yeah. So before that, I'd like to end this program with our national anthem. Please, Shekhar sir, for 2 minutes, please. Hello.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all. Thank you very much for cooperating with us.
You might not know what.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Test link posted in chat box as well as in our LFDP WhatsApp group. Please fill that questions. And time duration for this test is 3:20 to 4 o'clock. After that, it won't accept any responses. And the feedback link is also posting here. You can give feedback by 5 p.m. That is not a matter, but you should finish this by 4 p.m. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you very much for your patience listening. Thanks to all the participants.